rotate at 60.
Rotate at 60, hold 70.
Got it.
Okay. Do a head check, heading's good, altitude good, transponders on. Okay. But just a little bit of back pressure, not a lot, just to get a little weight off the wheel. Not lift it off, but just a little bit of weight off the wheel, okay? It will give that just a tiny bit of vibration at 60, okay? That's when you pull back. Should get 22 out of this plane. Okay, everything look good?
Yep.
Heels on the floor. Let's go. Come on, plane. Middle in a little bit. You got a little too much. 40. 50. Rotate. Now this helps you. If you took off the other way, you'd have to turn all the way around. You'd lose about 2 minutes.
Yeah.
We're heading almost the way we want to go.
Turning left downwind for, mid-left downwind for runway 24, full stop.
Hamburg traffic, Cessna 63 uniform just departed 19. We'll be on a 141 heading to Olean. Okay, go turn to your 141 heading and hold that from now on.
Face to final, 18S3 field, Centralia area traffic.
I already see one of the towers. Yeah, that works out. 141. Okay, keep your climb going. What altitude we going to?
55.
55. Okay. That'll take a bit to get there. Put your little nose down trim, you'll get more airspeed. And try to get...
To make right-hand turns over the falls, there is VFR traffic at 3,800 right now.
Let's see if we got the right airport. Yeah, that's...
Airport traffic, this is Skyhawk 6621 Delta.
Do you want me to stop time now?
No,
when we land?
wheels touch.
Yep.
You could do it now, you know, this is technically what we're doing.
Yeah.
Alright, clear traffic, turn downwind. Olean traffic, Cessna 63 invert, turning downwind for 22 Olean would be a touch and go. Nice looking airport. Thinking pretty fast. So. Nice and short. Right rudder. Pull the power out. How much uphill? A little power, little power, little power. Power. Clean it up. Now hang, you gotta get these down. I'll help you. Down. Full power. Look at the uphill you're going. Full power. Rotate at 60. You're still heading uphill the same angle as the runway. And hold 70. And now you can hold 80. Okay?
Bill, I don't know if this is a big problem, but there's a bird on our...
There sure is.
Yeah.
No, no.
We'll have to check that when we land.
But it shouldn't be hurting us anything. The only thing it could hurt, which I don't think it is, I don't think it's the vent. If you weren't venting the gas tank as the fuel coming out, you'd create a vacuum in the tank. All right?
Man, that thing wrapped right around that.
He wrapped right around that. Yeah, that's pretty neat.
It's kind of like a flag.
All right. Here, get a picture of my phone. I want it right at it. Bradford traffic, 63 Emperor, turning final for 14 Bradford. Don't like being here. yourself lined up. But slightly uphill also, okay? Not as much as the other one. Third notch or second?
Second.
Third in. Another trick, I want you to do what you're doing. But you got so much runway, sometimes it's better to land long. They don't have to taxi so far. A little crooked, a little bit of right rudder. Get it to the center line. Over. Looking left rudder now. Gonna be good.
Nice.
Nose up. Bradford traffic, Cessna 60 departing 14, will be departing to the northeast. Still going uphill, see it?
Yeah, I can feel it too.
But you got plenty of
40.
runway. At 60, just pull back till it flies.
Alright.
No rush to get it off the runway.
And 60.
There you go. Now you can nose down to 80 because we should have, well, let's hold it at 70 for a little bit because of the hills out here, okay?
Alright.
You guys have a great day.
Very good, thanks for the help. We'll see you maybe on the 8th.
Roger that, sir.
Go to idle. You got the runway made. You're a little bit fast, so we're gonna
Lead some of the speed.
the guy's still on the runway. What the hell is he doing?
Right rudder.
Alright, lead it off.
Traffic says 97266, turning downwind 28, west old traffic.
You're out, nose up, nose up, nose up. There you go, you're down. Clean it up because that guy's there.
Oh, oops.
I got it, go ahead.
Yep.
Driver's in, full power. That's it.
60.
Where the hell is he going now?
Goes down for,
At least he got out of there.
yeah, I mean,
And Roseville traffic, 6 uniform is on the go, and the vehicle just left the part of the runway. And airplane follow 63 uniform, thanks for the help.
Have a good day. Says 97.
Wellsville traffic, FA Mobile 504, off 1028.